Just been a day of wildlife. Hey buddy, it's hot out here. Are you gonna cross the road? Don't get bud. What are you doing? How are you today? Are you cute? I have nothing for you. We're just on a walk. Hi Betty. You're super cute. Okay, we're gonna keep going now. Bye.
Reviewed it.
Come here.
And
Come here.
so,
Come here, little pecker.
things are on the rise. Everything's going to be good.
Hello. We're at Wiggum Park in Melbourne, Florida. Went for a walk and I've got friends. Love nature. This makes my heart happy. Hi, buddy. You're on camera.
Got to find a way to everything be good. Engagement and the anniversary is coming up tomorrow. So
Hi, buddy.
this weekend I didn't do any open houses or anything like that. I had offers, but I didn't do anything. So, but yeah, everything's going to
Come here, little
get better
pecker.
next week. Oh, you're getting
Hi,
all
buddy.
nature around you.
Hi.
I don't have any food.
Hey, little guy. That beautiful woodpecker. Hi, baby.
Squirrel too, yeah.
Oh, we got a squirrel.
Anyway, yeah,
Snow
some of the
White.
stuff that I thought was going to happen kind of fell through. Thought Kai was going to at least put me on one move job at least 2 or 3 months.
Hey, buddy.
So,
Come here, baby. Come here.
getting down to the pinch.